For iteration 1 of the SuperHR payroll system by Mavericks, we're working on the login feature, register employee feature, and logout feature.
Here we have our login page. It will take an input of a username and a password and validate that it matches those in our database. So for example, if we enter in an invalid credential, it will throw an error saying that it's invalid. The other thing that it checks is whether the user is an employee or an admin. So if you enter in credentials for an employee, it will send you to an employee page.
Once you've successfully logged in, you have the option to log out. Once you click log out, you're redirected to the login page with a message showing you successfully logged out.
So now we can log in as an admin, and it will take us to an admin page where you are given the option to register an employee, because only admins can register an employee. To register an employee, it will take an input of a username, email address, and password, and it's confirming password. So if you were to enter in a username which already exists in our database, it will throw you an error saying that the username already exists. If you enter in an invalid email, it will also tell you that it doesn't work. And it will also check whether or not the passwords match. So now let's add a new employee to our database. Before we click enter, I want to show you in our database right here, this is what we currently have, just an admin and 3 of us. Once we hit sign up and we have successfully created our account, we can update our database and it'll show that Rahim is now added to our employee database. The other thing that this function will do is add false to all new employees added to the database. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.